So g'day, how you going? And in today's video, I'm out in the bush and we're going to be using dead set and how you actually use that word in an actual sentence. So quite frankly, dead set means actually true. So it's equivalent to fair income. So you can interchange these two terms. Dead set, there's a plane flying. Not too sure if you can hear it, but dead set, I'm in the bush and there's a plane. Actually, I am in a bush, I'm in a reserve, but there is also a lot of farmland over that way, and that way, and that way, and behind me is actually the water catchment. So this is all part of the water catchment. Dead set, this is where I drink my water, and I just had a piss, so I'm going to be drinking my own piss when I drink my own water. So dead set, I think that plane's actually looking for me. It's just not going a bloody way. Dead set, mate. And yeah, that was a joke. Bloody o. So dead set, you can use it to mean true. So you got a new girlfriend, she's nice and pretty or whatever, and you go, dead set, my girlfriend's very pretty. I give her all my pay packet. And we just have lots of fun. Dead set, mate. Fair income. So that's basically how you use dead set. Or you can say, dead set, I caught the biggest fish ever. It was like 40 meters in diameter. Dead set, mate. That is the truth. 40 meters in diameter. And I ate it for dinner. So, dead set. That's how you use it in a sentence. And dead set, it's actually going to get very windy because I can hear the wind. You can actually hear the wind coming from all the way over there. So you're here, but you can hear the actual branches of the tree. Dead set, mate. You can hear the branches just slowly creeping over each tree at a time. So you know there's actually wind coming over. And it's settled down. Dead set, it's settled down right now. But, you know, dead set, it's actually not going to be the last one because there's always going to be other wind currents coming in. Dead set, mate. If you don't believe in physics, learn something. So, basically, that's a short video on how to use dead set. Use it appropriately and be responsible when you use the word dead set. Okay? Dead set, mate.